一、二、三、九、十、33、81. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm June. I'm so glad to have all of you guys back. We're not talking about counting numbers today. We're actually talking about each day of the week. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm June. I'm so glad to have all of you guys back. I don't plan to teach you guys how to count in Chinese in today's video. Actually, I'm gonna talk about different expressions for each day of the week. So why did I counting numbers at the very beginning? Because in Chinese, the way we put each day of the week is very different from English. In English, there's a one specific name for each day of the week. But in Chinese, it's just a range according to numbers. For the 7 days of a week, we just count from 1 to 7. Okay, so how many ways are there for us to say week in Chinese? There are actually 3 ways. The first one is called 周. 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 It sounds a bit casual. It's more for everyday life. And the second one is called 星期. 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 It's also very common used in everyday life, but it can also be used in written language. And the last one is called 礼拜. 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 It sounds a bit religious because 礼拜, it means worship. It means church service in Chinese. Okay, so if you want to say Monday, you can just put the week and the numbers together. You can say 周 or 星期 or 礼拜. 3 of them are okay. And together with the number 一. So 周一, 周一, 星期一, 星期一, 礼拜一, 礼拜一. They all mean Monday. Okay, so you got 周二, 星期二, 礼拜二, 周三, 星期三, 礼拜三, 周四, 星期四, 礼拜四, 周五, 星期五, 礼拜五, 周六, 星期六, 礼拜六. Alright, but things are different when it comes to Sunday because according to the rule, Sunday should be the last day of the week. Sunday should be the 7th day of the week. So it should be called 周七, 星期七 or 礼拜七, right? But actually in Chinese, in Mandarin, it's called 周日, 星期日, 星期天, 礼拜日, or 礼拜天. Well, when Western Christianity made its way to China, Chinese people realized that Sunday is actually the day the Christians will go to the church for the service. So we kind of borrowed the idea, calling this day like the day of church, the day of service, the day that you should go to the church, do the service, the church day, things like this. So we start calling this day 礼拜日 or 礼拜天 because both 日 and 天 here mean day in English. So you see, this is how culture mixed up together in language. It's interesting, right? So when it comes to the way we talked about 周 and 星期, we kept using 日 and 天 like that. So you can still hear people call Sunday like 周日, 星期日, and 星期天. And here's another thing that I find interesting in Chinese language is that if you want to say weekday 8 or weekday 12, those kind of expressions can be achieved in Chinese language because you can just combine 周, 星期, and 礼拜 together with the number to form such an expression. So you can say 周八, 星期八 or 礼拜八. But no one would say that in reality because there's no such day. No one's crazy. But I just find this is interesting. Okay, so this is it for today's video. I hope it's helpful for you. And don't forget to give a like, subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment box. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!